Hello, after a long time. So the problem for today that I have is concerned with 10 plus 2. It's of the chapter electricity, current electricity. It says that a galvanometer can bear maximum current of 25 milliampere, which means that the max current after which it might get destroyed is that much, which I have stated as 0.025 amperes. And it has got resistance 5 ohm, so Rg is equal to 5 ohm. Now we have to convert it into, on the first step, we have to convert it into a voltmeter of range 0.2 volts. So that means we have to increase its resistance, because a voltmeter has got infinite resistance and a galvanometer has got some medium resistance. So if you have to convert a galvanometer to voltmeter, we have to increase its resistance. So we have to add something in series. So let R be the resistance, R be the resistance that we have to add in series to be connected in series, in series. So if so, now the arrangement will become somewhat like this. So we had the galvanometer here initially, galvanometer. Then I connect something in a series, and this thing will make a voltmeter. So this thing will be a voltmeter. So this only is galvanometer, and this box is the voltmeter. And the voltage that it can measure is from here to here. Its value is equal to 2 volt, as given in the given here and given here. It is 2 volt, and here the current that flows here is, so this thing is Ig. So since this is in series with this and this is in series with this, we have this current should also be equal to Ig, and this thing should also be equal to Ig. So now this is the additional resistor that we have used. This is R. So what we have here is the PD that I have to measure V is equal to Ig into the resistance from here to here, and the resistances are, one is this Rg and one is this R. So it's into Rg plus R. So I'll have V by Ig is equal to Rg plus R, which further gives me R is equal to V by Ig minus Rg. So let us put the values. So it will be this V equal to 2, Ig is equal to 0.025 minus Rg is equal to 5, and that will give the value as, so let me calculate the values. So it will be, so let me open the application. So its value will be equal to 2 divided 0.025 equal to minus 5. That's equal to 75 ohm. So the additional resistance that I have to use is 75 ohm. And after this connection, the total resistance will be, so R total will be equal to Rg plus R, which is equal to, Rg is 5 ohm and this is 75 ohm, so that's equal to 80 ohm. So one answer is this and the other is this. Now in the other part, we have to convert this thing into an ammeter. So let us write it here. Number B part is to convert it into the ammeter of range 10 ampere. So let's write here. Yes. So the maximum current that you can measure, so maximum current that it can measure is I that's equal to 10 ampere. So in order to convert a galvanometer into ammeter, its resistance should be decreased, because an ammeter should have a very less resistance. So resistance should be decreased. So that's why we have to connect something. So this is galvanometer. We have to connect a resistor in parallel to this galvanometer. So if I do so, this is the additional resistance R. So this whole thing is now an ammeter. This whole thing will now be an ammeter, which can bear a value of current which is I. So this is I G here, and the current here will be, so this will be equal to I minus IG. So let us say the PD here is the PD from here to here, that's equal to V, like this. So if I use the equations here, what I'll have is, let's do it here. So this V is equal to Ig into Rg. So if this is the resistance of the galvanometer, so V is equal to Ig into Rg. Also this V should be equal to, if I go from here, it will be equal to I minus Ig, then it is R. So since they are equal, they will have, so I minus Ig into R is equal to Ig Rg, which gives us this R is equal to Ig Rg minus I minus Ig. So if I use the values, I will have, so therefore R should be equal to, Ig is 0.025 into Rg is 5, and I have here this I is equal to 10 ampere minus this Ig is equal to 0.025. So its value will come to be, let me do the calculations. So 0.025 into 5 equal to, divided 10 minus 0.025. So this is equal to, sorry, let me do it again. So this is equal to, let me do it again, 0.025 into 5 equal to, divided 10 minus 0.025 is equal to, so it is 1.2525 into 10 to the power minus 2 ohm. Or in other words, I can write it as 0.012125 ohm. 125 ohm. So we have a very less resistance connected in parallel to that. So after that, our R total will be equal to, so we have these two resistors are in parallel, so that's why it will be equal to Rg into R by Rg plus R equal to, our Rg is equal to 5 into 0.0125 divided 5 plus 0.0125, and that's equal to, so let me do it like this, 5 into 0.0125 equal to, divided 5 plus 0.0125, and that's equal to 0.01247 ohm. So this will be the value of the total resistance after the connection. So we have, this is the additional and this is the total. So initially this was the additional resistor and this is the total. So that's how you would solve this problem.